Good morning from Vermont. Let's go get some sugar. We're headed down to Montpelier, Vermont's capital, and the first stop of the day. Vermont was the 14th state to join the Union in 1791, and for over 200 years, it has been the largest producer of maple syrup in the country. On the top of the Capitol, there's a statue of Ceres, the Roman goddess of agriculture. Have a look at some of the exhibits inside. Two U.S. presidents were from the state of Vermont, Calvin Coolidge and Chester Alan Arthur, who became president after the assassination of President James Garfield in 1885. I made sure to get my Vermont stamp too. That makes number 19. Okay, time to get to know that sugar I was talking to you about earlier. Just outside of Montpelier is Morse Farm Maple Sugar Works, and they know they're maple. Stop by the little store off County Road. You'll sure to find something you'll like. I can't wait to take a bite out of this guy. Let's give this a try. Good. Next up is a short 20-minute ride up to the town of Waterbury and home of the Ben & Jerry's ice cream factory. We decided to take a tour of the factory, and that was pretty interesting. But you can't take pictures or videos inside, so I didn't. At the end of the tour, you get to try the flavor of the day. But if you go on April 1st, you get to try a special prank flavor, like cheddar cheese and broccoli. I'll pass on that one, partner. Outside, you can check out the flavored graveyard, where they put the ones that they don't make anymore. Fun little stops like this are what make road trips sweet. Going too soon. My last stop was a very brief one, so I could show you this, called a witch window, and they're almost exclusive to the state of Vermont. They're built this way because it was believed that witches couldn't fly their broomsticks to the tilted window. With my trip coming to an end, I was hoping to get my stamp in the capital of New York, but we arrived too late. But wow, look at the size of this place. I'm ready to get home on this adventure. But first, I get to scratch off my two new estates. I hope you all enjoyed my trip through Connecticut, Massachusetts, Maine, and Vermont. Maybe you learned something new, or maybe you saw some place you want to go. Either way, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next trip. Ever been down to the Crystal Coast of North Carolina? No? You don't know what you're missing. Catch you later! Be sure to follow me on Facebook and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my next adventure.